Assume that we have an angle theta, then the reflection around the y-axis of the angle theta is 180 minus theta. That angle is here. You see, this space is equal to this space. This is the reflection around the y-axis of the angle theta. The property for this angle is that sine of the original angle and sine of the reflection around the y-axis of that angle, it is the same. Both signs are the same. We can also consider the reflection around the origin. The reflection around the origin, let's say reflection around the origin, it is either theta plus 180, or sometimes you can do theta minus 180. These two angles give us the same terminal side that represents the reflection around the origin. For these two angles, we have that tangent is the same. We have that tangent of theta is the same as tangent of theta plus 180 degrees, or also tangent of theta minus 180 degrees. The last reflection that we're going to consider is the reflection around the x-axis. This one is just given by negative theta. The property for this reflection is that cosine of theta is the same as cosine of the reflection around the x-axis of the angle. We can use these properties to solve equations. For example, if we have the equation sine of theta equal to 0.29, then we can find one of the angles that solve this equation by doing sine inverse of 0.29, and this gives us the angle 16.8579. This angle is one of the solutions, and the other solution is the reflection around the y-axis, which is 180 minus 16.8579, and this is equal to 163.1420. We can also solve the equation cosine of theta equal negative 0.57, and the calculator gives us one value by doing cosine inverse of negative 0.57, and this is equal to 124.7502 degrees. The other angle is the reflection around the x-axis, which is just negative 124.7502. In case we want to give an answer between 0 and 360, we just need to add 360 to this angle, and then we obtain the angle 235.2499. Finally, if we want to solve the equation tangent of theta equal to negative 2.4, then one of the angles is given by the calculator by doing tangent inverse, and the calculator gives us the value negative 67.3801, and if we want the angle to be between 0 and 360 degrees, then we add 360 to obtain the angle 292.6198. The other angle that solves this equation would be tangent plus, in this case we use minus theta minus 180, which is the reflection around the origin, and then we obtain 292.6198 minus 180 degrees. That gives us the angle 112.6198.